as soon as I hit the brake. Clunk. Oof. Yeah, buddy. About to get the jack stand set, but you have to get this cover off. Of course, it's underneath the rocker panel here. I guess I can pull it out a little bit. A little bit. 10 mil here. I don't know if you can see that. 10 mil there. 10 here. 10 there. Don't know if you can even see that, but that's the trailing arm bushing, hockey puck, whatever you want to call the damn thing. I took 10 mils out and oh crap. Holy moly. So that bushing is going to be easy to get out. Because it's right here already. Tell me these are swollen. They are. Why do they make these lug nuts? I'm using a 20 mil. Oh, you know what? I think I told him he needed lug nuts too. When I checked this out, I did actually. I'm also going to be replacing this one here. Doesn't look too good. So I got these. I got these 3 bolts. This trailing arm itself is removable. Oh, of course, right? Thank you, Ford. Hopefully I have that size. Well, Ford does what Ford does. This is a T60, and I don't have a T60 that is... Oh, I'm not even showing. I don't have a T60 that's shallow enough to get in here. I don't know if I can get in here with a ratchet or not. Look at that. Look at that. I have a T55 bit. I got this guy here. These sockets. This ratchet. I love them. See if it works. But I have a bit. 10 mil there. Which makes it a tad bit more shallow. When you put it in the tool, you can see it's a lot more shallow. Let's see how easy it rounds off. Oh my god, it's actually moving. I was not expecting that. Now that I got this loose, I can finish it up with a 10mm gear wrench because the throw on this thing is a lot. I do not suggest doing this, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. This is the wrong size Torx bit. It's a T60. I'm using the T55. The rest of the way I'm gonna have to use some other means. Maybe it'll free it up a little when I get this bottom one loose, maybe. I should be using an impact. In fact, I might just go do that because it's starting to rain right now. And I'm just gonna go as fast as I can. This guy here, completely missing. Where'd you go? I did recommend both sides. We're only doing one side right now. 18mm. There you go. Not supposed to come apart like that. No replacement for air displacement. That went off somewhere. But here you go. Fords are assholes. Fords. Right? You know what I mean? Look how close that is. Would it kill you to give the tech a little friggin' help here? Maybe we can get it out without taking the whole bolt out. There you go. Come on. Come on. So close. You could probably cut half of this off because the threads start here. Probably don't need all that. The only issue about having the bushing fall out on you is you don't know exactly where this bushing is supposed to go. I am going to poke my head on the other side and see if I can match it up, see if it's more this way or more like, you know, this way is going directly with this section here. And you know, or if it's going this way. I believe it's going that way. I'm going to take a look real quick. I'm going to get this sleeve out. I just peeked under the other side and it does appear to go in line with this. The other side is going to need to get done real soon. It's torn and it's going to be in the same shape. But they can only do one at this time. So this is what I do. This is going to be extremely loud. Just work your way around. You could also use, since it was missing there, you could use a hacksaw or some type of blade or whatever you want to use to cut that sleeve in half, and it would have made it easier too. Usually it pops right out though. That's pretty rusted in there. It's pretty tight. Space here. Ah, yeah. Always get around. There you go. It's in there nice and flush. I took the bolt here. I cut about, I don't know, about anywhere from a little over 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch off, and I sharpened it a little, well, smoothed it out. That should help put it back in. Give me that little tiny bit. Just wish they put the damn, I wish they would put it the other way around, you know, the way that would make sense. There you go. Now I gotta try to get it in this thing now. Ah, how about that? Actually worked. God dang. Nope. There you go. There you go. Same as always, just gonna tighten it down just enough, snug it up, and I'll load the suspension and tighten everything up. Guess I'm gonna have to buy a T60. I'll be doing that other side sometime soon. There you go. Yeah. PFT. There you go. Easy peasy. Not really. Here, right there, that goes right there, I think. Right. Hold on. Get it in there. There you go. That one's in. Hopefully the left rear isn't going to clunk, but that's going to fail soon. So here we are. Hit the brakes. Good. No noise. No clunk. It's fixed for now.